And this initiative, Samarth, is something that I'm the most proud of. I know most of them will tell you what is to follow, but I was explained when I was shooting the ad film, which we don't have it here today, unfortunately, but we'll release it very soon, was that it's a three-pronged strategy that Hyundai has started, and hopefully we will carry it to its finality and be able to achieve inclusivity in our world, in our society, which is, I think, the most important thing. The first part is to affiliate oneself with NGOs and become more aware of issues faced by differently and specially abled people amongst us, and facilitate and offer our services in whichever way possible. The second is to recount stories of valor and strength in the face of adversity that some of the people who are going to be present in talks and conversations later here with Sonali and myself and Mr. Kim, these stories will inspire us all to try and fight odds dished out to us in the otherwise wonderful life that we all have. And third is to make small changes within the company itself. The beginning has been made. The Hyundai office, I've been told, has already built ramps, and the Hyundai is also going to try and facilitate all the dealers to do the same. Equal opportunities in terms of employment are being worked upon in Hyundai at the top level management, and I've been made to explain and understand that this will follow, inshallah, as soon as possible. The endeavor is to make sure that the specially abled amongst us are given an equal opportunity to lead a life which has been given to us, as I said before. This initiative is closest to my heart, and I want to actually thank Hyundai for giving me this opportunity to try and bring about this change. And inshallah, as we go along,